Welcome friends to Tutorials Point. In the last video we created a table. In this video we will try to insert the data into the table. So there are basically two steps to insert data into your table within the USQL catalog. The first step is the extraction step where you extract files from a data lake store. And the second step is to use the insert into select statement that basically inserts the data from the data lake store into the table within the USQL catalog. So let's look at a demo. Let's insert the data. So to insert the data, I already have some code that has been created. So first I am going to insert in the context of the sales database, and first let me extract the data from the data lake store. So here if you see, I am extracting data from all the files within the vendor folder. So it will concatenate the data from 3 different files that we have uploaded within the vendor folder, and it will perform, and together it will take all the data and then it will extract. So I'm applying the schema and other things are really the same. So once I have the data within that add data variable, what I'm going to do is within the sales database, I'm going to insert that data into this particular table, and how I'm doing is I'm using insert into select statement. So insert into directly inserts the data into the target table, and select star from data, it basically selects the data from this particular data variable. So the final output that we should be seeing is the values should be, the rows should be available within that particular table. So let me name the job as insert and just submit the job. So the job is successful, and if you go to your data lake catalog, you will not be seeing any changes. You cannot see any data over here. To see the data, you need to write another query by clicking on this query table. So that we will see in the next video. Thank you.